Ah, summer. The sun is shining, the days are long, and there's nothing quite like a refreshing beverage to quench your thirst. While lemonade and iced tea are summer staples, there's a healthier and tastier option you should consider. Summer green tea. This isn't just any green tea, it's a special variety harvested during the peak summer months, bursting with flavor and chock full of health benefits. Summer green tea, in particular, is prized for its delicate sweetness and vibrant green color, making it a treat for both the palate and the eyes. Unlike sugary drinks that can leave you feeling sluggish, summer green tea provides a natural energy boost without the crash. It's the perfect pick-me-up for a hot afternoon or a pre-workout energy drink. Summer green tea is more than just a refreshing drink. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These powerful compounds work synergistically to provide a wide range of health benefits. Let's delve into the nutritional profile of this superfood. One of the most notable components of green tea is a group of antioxidants called catechins, with epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, being the most potent. EGCG has been extensively studied for its role in fighting free radicals, protecting cells from damage, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. In addition to catechins, green tea is a good source of L-theanine, an amino acid known for its calming and relaxing effects. L-theanine works in synergy with caffeine, naturally present in green tea, to provide a sustained energy boost without the jitters or crash associated with coffee. Furthermore, summer green tea contains essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, folic acid, potassium, and manganese. These nutrients play vital roles in maintaining overall health, from boosting immunity to supporting bone health and regulating blood pressure. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to inflammation, chronic diseases, and accelerated aging. Antioxidants, like those found abundantly in summer green tea, act as scavengers, neutralizing these harmful compounds and protecting your body. The star antioxidant in green tea, EGCG, has been shown to have potent free radical scavenging abilities, even more so than vitamin C and E. Studies have linked EGCG consumption to a reduced risk of various cancers, including breast, prostate, and lung cancer. Oxidative stress, an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants, has been implicated in the development of heart disease. The antioxidants in green tea help combat oxidative stress, protecting blood vessels from damage and reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of green tea's antioxidants extend to the brain. Studies suggest that regular consumption of green tea may protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Metabolism refers to the complex chemical processes that occur in your body to keep you alive and functioning. A faster metabolism means you burn more calories at rest, which can aid in weight management. Green tea has been shown to give your metabolism a natural boost. The combination of caffeine and catechins in green tea is responsible for its metabolism-boosting effects. Caffeine stimulates the nervous system, while catechins enhance thermogenesis, the process by which your body burns calories to produce heat. Studies have demonstrated that green tea extract can increase energy expenditure and fat oxidation, leading to a modest reduction in body weight and body fat percentage. While green tea alone won't magically melt away pounds, it can be a valuable tool when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Furthermore, the sustained energy boost provided by green tea, thanks to the synergy between caffeine and L-theanine, can enhance your workouts and help you power through your day with increased vitality. This makes green tea a great natural alternative to sugary energy drinks. Section 5. Heart Health Hero. Green tea for cardiovascular wellness. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, making it crucial to adopt heart-healthy habits. The good news is that incorporating summer green tea into your diet can significantly benefit your cardiovascular system. Green tea's ability to lower LDL, or bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, or good cholesterol levels, contributes to its heart protective effects. LDL cholesterol can build up in your arteries, forming plaque that restricts blood flow and increases the risk of heart attacks. Additionally, green tea helps lower blood pressure, another major risk factor for heart disease. The flavonoids in green tea relax blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. This not only benefits your heart, but also improves circulation throughout your body. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of green tea's antioxidants reduce inflammation in blood vessels, further protecting against heart disease. Chronic inflammation can damage blood vessels, making them more susceptible to plaque buildup. Section 6. Green tea and men's health, a winning combination. While the health benefits of green tea extend to both men and women, certain advantages are particularly relevant to men's health concerns. From prostate health to testosterone levels, green tea can be a valuable ally for men seeking to optimize their well-being. Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers in men. Studies have shown that EGCG, the potent antioxidant in green tea, can inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells and potentially reduce the risk of developing this disease. Testosterone, a hormone essential for muscle mass, bone density, and libido, naturally declines with age in men. Green tea may help mitigate this decline by inhibiting the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, a hormone linked to prostate enlargement and hair loss. Furthermore, green tea's benefits for cardiovascular health are particularly relevant for men, as heart disease is a leading cause of death among males. By lowering blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and reducing inflammation, green tea can help men maintain a healthy heart. Section 7. Weight management in green tea, a natural ally. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential for overall health and well-being. While green tea is not a magic weight loss solution, it can be a valuable tool in your weight management arsenal. As mentioned earlier, green tea boosts metabolism, helping you burn more calories at rest. This effect is attributed to the combination of caffeine and catechins, which work synergistically to enhance thermogenesis. Furthermore, green tea can help reduce appetite and cravings, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine provides a sustained energy boost, preventing energy crashes that often lead to unhealthy snacking. Studies have shown that green tea extract can lead to modest reductions in body weight, body mass index, and waist circumference. While these results are encouraging, it's important to note that green tea works best in conjunction with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Section 8. Brewing the perfect cup. Tips for optimal enjoyment. Let's talk about how to brew the perfect cup to fully savor its flavor. Choose high-quality loose-leaf green tea for a richer flavor. Water temperature is crucial. Overly hot water can make the tea bitter. Heat the water to around 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Steep the tea for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the tea leaves to prevent bitterness. Enjoy your green tea plain or with a touch of honey or stevia. Section 9. Green tea, a legacy of health and longevity. For centuries, green tea has been revered in many cultures, particularly in Asia, for its health-promoting and longevity-boosting properties. This ancient beverage has stood the test of time, and modern science continues to uncover its remarkable benefits. In traditional Chinese medicine, green tea is used to improve digestion, boost energy levels, and promote mental clarity. It's believed to balance the body's energy, known as qi, and support overall well-being. Okinawa, Japan, is known for having one of the highest life expectancies in the world, and green tea consumption is thought to play a significant role. Okinawans have a long tradition of drinking green tea daily, and their diets are rich in fruits, vegetables, and other antioxidant-rich foods. While genetics and lifestyle factors undoubtedly contribute to longevity, the consistent consumption of green tea, with its potent antioxidants and health-promoting compounds, likely plays a part in the remarkable health and longevity observed in populations with a long history of green tea consumption. Section 10. Embrace the green elixir. Incorporate green tea into your daily life. Incorporating summer green tea into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier and more vibrant you. With its refreshing taste, unparalleled antioxidant power, and numerous health benefits, green tea deserves a place in your daily life. Start your day with a cup of green tea to boost your metabolism, enhance focus, and protect your body from free radical damage. Enjoy a cup in the afternoon for a natural energy lift without the jitters or crash. Experiment with different varieties of green tea, such as sencha, matcha, and genmaicha, to discover your favorites. Each variety offers a unique flavor profile and set of health benefits. Whether you prefer it hot or iced, plain, or with a touch of natural sweetener, there's a way to enjoy green tea that suits your taste. Embrace the green elixir and experience the transformative power of this ancient beverage for yourself. Cheers to a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you.